Hey guys, did you miss me? I took last week off. I did not upload any videos, so I do apologize, but I'm back, y'all. I'm back, and this is gonna be a haul, a birthday present haul. And you guys, I got such a random assortment of things. I thought it would be a pretty cool video idea to bring to you because it's kind of cool to see how like the different people in my life think of me when it comes to my birthday. So let's get started. Okay, so my oldest niece, Nadine, she has 3 children and they are my favorite children in the world. I love them so much and they got me presents. So the youngest one, her name is Araya. She is 4 years old and she got me this candle. It's from IKEA. It's the Sinlig 25-hour candle. And it smells really good. It smells kind of like blueberries or some sort of berry scent. So I love it. I don't know where a 4-year-old got IKEA money, girl, but she did good because I love candles. I think I'm gonna keep this in my office and burn it up here when I'm editing. Thank you, Araya. Her older sister, Naya, got me this. This is by Ivy and Castle and it's a luxury lavender shea soap bar. It's huge, like it's a huge bar of soap. And it also smells really good, like lavender, very soothing. So I think I'm gonna put this in my guest bathroom. So thank you, Naya. Naya is 6 years old. They drew me pictures too. I actually got a lot of like non-tangible gifts as well. Like I got a spa day, the nails and pedis, and I got gift cards and stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys like the tangible stuff I got. Now Naya and Araya, their older brother, his name is Michael. He's my godson as well, and he got me this mug, which I love. It's from Bowring. You can see the tag there, and it says, "I love you a whole latte." It's huge. Look at this. It's as big as my face. I love huge mugs. Like I love ginger tea. I drink it by the gallon, so this is perfect for my ginger tea in the morning. Thank you, Michael. So Mama Daley actually bought this for me on the Home Shopping Network. She loves the Home Shopping Network. And it's an iron. You guys will not believe that I do not own an iron. I haven't owned an iron in several years. I remember it was about maybe 5 or 6 years ago when I moved out of my condo. When I move, I purge. Like I throw out everything. And I threw out my only iron and I never replaced it. So I've just been like not buying anything that requires ironing. And in my last Fashion Nova haul, I purchased a yellow romper and it was really crushed. And I said, I'm gonna have to get it ironed. And she watches my videos, guys. So she bought me this iron. She got it from the Home Shopping channel. It's by Euro Steam and it's called Stone Glide. I don't know if you can tell the bottom is speckled. It's like that stoneware material, almost like the cooking stuff. So one of the key features of this iron that sold her is the fact that you can leave it like face down on your clothing and it won't burn. Like I think it has like an auto shut off sensor or something like that. So it's really heavy too. Like it's actually stoneware. So yeah, super, super heavy. It's got the steam feature and yeah, I finally have an iron again. So thanks, Mom. Okay, so the Galdem, they got me sort of like a joint present. Keisha took me to get my nails done. Like I said, I got my mani and pedi and they organized the whole turn up for me and everything, but they wanted to get me something to open as well. And they got me these 2 shirts. They already know I'm a Toronto girl, y'all. So I like to rep my city and they got me this super cute Blue Jays shirt. I love it so much. The Blue Jays blue is my favorite blue. Like, it just looks so bomb on me. So I got this shirt. And you guys, I got this shirt. I love it so much. It is a Marvel Black Panther t-shirt. And it has like the original Black Panther comic book cover scene like on the front. I love this shirt. Obviously, Wakanda forever, okay? Love it, love it, love it. So I can't wait to style this with like some super distressed like black skinnies and some heels and some big hair. Love this shirt. Thank you, girls. My girl Catherine got me this gorgeous jewelry box. It's so pretty, you guys. It's like gold and it's got this chain detail and glass. It's very dainty, very pretty. And I just recently bought a new dresser in this beautiful like distressed wood. I think that this will look great sitting on top of it. I'm just gonna put like my nicer bits of jewelry in here. I love it. Thank you, Catherine. It's gorgeous. The boy's friend, Nelson, actually got me a present, which was unexpected. I never expected a present from the boys. And he got me this really cute pouch. He came over one day a couple weeks ago and he was using my office, like this space that I usually record in, and he noticed that I had like my pens lying around. I don't have an actual case to put my pens and pencils in, so he bought me one. So I thought that was very thoughtful. The brand is Kiki K, and I'm probably honestly not going to use it for pens because this is a perfect size for makeup brushes. So this will probably be my travel pouch, but nonetheless, I love it. Speaking of the boy, and last but not least, yes, girl, I got a pair of red bottoms. Now, these are not the pair he originally bought me. He originally bought me the Pagalis in a size 8.5, but the Pagali style, the toe box is very, very short on the Pagalis, so it just didn't fit my foot. It was just not a good fit. So I went back and exchanged it for a different style in an 8.5 with a longer toe box. This style is called the Decolette, and it is very similar to the Pagali, except like I said, the toe box is longer and it also has a thinner heel. The Pagali has a little bit more of a sturdier heel. So very, very similar look. Side by side, it's not too far off, but I exchanged it, same size. This is also an 8.5. It's just that, like I said, it's a better fit with the extra space in the toe box. So I got red bottoms from the boy. I love them obviously so much. They are so pretty, so dainty. I just wanted something classic and these are perfect. So thank you, babe. I love them. And that's it. That concludes my birthday present haul. Very random assortment of items, but as you can see, the people in my life, they know me so well, y'all. They know me so well. I was extremely spoiled, extremely blessed. I had an amazing birthday. Yeah, that's it for now. I will be back soon with another video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.